Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken fried steak. You will need 3 tenderized cube steaks, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, and 3 teaspoons of kosher salt. Season the steaks with 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Season the flour with the garlic powder, paprika, and the remaining salt and pepper. Now add the baking powder and whisk until well combined. In another dish, combine the milk and eggs and whisk until well combined. Coat the steaks in the seasoned flour, then the milk mixture, then again in the seasoned flour, then set them aside. Allow your steaks to sit for 10 minutes before frying. In your frying pan, bring your oil to a temperature of 375 degrees, then fry your steaks for 3 minutes on both sides. Remove your steaks from the pan, then they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.